Hello everyone, welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to extract data from a PDF file and import into an Excel sheet. Here I have a PDF file in which sales report of few employees are given. To import it into an Excel file, open a new or existing worksheet where you want to import the PDF data. Now click on the Data tab, look for Get Data. You will find a drop-down menu, select from File and then go to From PDF. A file browser window will appear. Navigate to the location of your PDF file, select it and click on Import. The navigator window will open, displaying the tables and pages within the PDF file. When I click on the tables, I can see all the PDF which was saved in the PDF files, and page will be in the page form. I want the file in table form, so I will be clicking on the table region. Before loading, you can transform the data, that is, you can edit the data as per your requirement. After you edit your data, click on the load to import the data in your Excel sheet. Now you can observe that we have extracted all the PDF data and imported into Excel file using Data tab. Don't forget to save your Excel file to preserve all your changes. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.